Welcome students. Earlier we have seen electrical potential at a point, electrical potential energy, electrical potential difference. There are three things which all the definitions are almost look alike. So but we are confused. Better first we will define what is electrical potential energy. Suppose we have a source charge here plus Q and a charge, it may be a charge, it may be a test charge, it may be positive charge, negative charge. We take in general, we take it as a charge from infinity. And if you want to bring it at point P, which is at a distance r, and we take the intermediate small amount of work done for a distance of dx, and we integrate that work done from infinity up to this point. That is the total work done by the external agency. So we have already derived work done in bringing from infinity up to the point P by the external, or we simply call it as work, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into source charge into test charge, this charge, which is brought from infinity up to here, into 1 by so Q into Q into the limit is, since we are bringing from infinity to r, the initial point is infinity, the final point is r, which given by 1 by minus r. Here there will be minus gets cancelled. So it can be called. So this we can call it as 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into 1 by r minus 1 by infinity. Since 1 by infinity is equal to 0, so work done, simply work done in bringing from infinity to this point by external source A is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into Q. Q is the charge which is being brought from infinity to here. It may be a test charge, it may be a negative charge, it may be a positive charge, a point charge, into 1 by r, because 1 by infinity is equal to 0. So now this is, and this term we call it as, this term we call it by another term that is called electric potential energy. So what is electrical potential energy? The work done in bringing a test charge or any other charge from infinity to that point. Infinity to that point is called potential energy, electric potential energy. So it means we can say literally W, the work done in bringing from one point, that is point initial, from initial point to final point, is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q into source charge into 1 by x, 1 by, we say here, since we are bringing from infinity, initial point from, we write it as infinity to P is equal to work done by the external agency. So work is done in bringing from here, this is work done by the external agency, but the field will do work this way, work done by the field, because this is a conservative field. Electric field is a conservative field. Why we call it as a conservative field? We put some work, we put some force, hands work in bringing it from here to here. But the electric field, due to repulsion, it will make it to go back. So this kind of field is called conservative field. So this is the work done, and we know potential is equal to work done in bringing this charge, which is, we can write, since W is also equal to U by Q, where U is the potential, U is equal to electric potential energy. which is work done in bringing a point from some initial point to final point, W by Q. So we can write 1 W by Q, it means W, this is W. What is W by Q? W by Q is potential, that is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by R. This is the potential. Here we can notice one thing. Therefore, electric potential V, which is equal to work done by the external source in bringing from initial point to final point, is work done divided by this charge. Divided by this charge, this is the electrical potential. So electrical potential V due to a source charge, this is the source charge is electrical potential energy. What is electrical potential energy? Work done, that is the electrical potential energy. Electrical potential energy of interaction, electric potential energy of interaction. This also called, we can call the electrical potential energy also interaction energy. Electrical potential energy of Q with the test charge, divided by Q naught. This is electrical potential. So we can say work done is in bringing a test charge or other charge from infinity to the point in an electric field is electric potential energy of that charge, so of this charge. Okay, now we can see W. What is W? W is equal to U, which is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi. So what is W? Into 1 by R. W is, this is called electrical potential energy, where if we bring from infinity up to this point, where R is the distance of the point P from the charge Q. So this is R. And potential, what is potential? Potential is equal to work done in bringing a test charge, bringing a charge from here to here, or which also you can write U by Q, which also, so we have forgotten to write here one thing we have written, into Q into 1 by R. So this is W divided by Q, that is U divided by Q is equal to, if you divide this by Q, that becomes 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Since divided by Q, Q will go Q into 1 by R. This is the potential at a point which is at a distance R from the source charge. This is the expression for potential, and this is the expression for electric potential energy. So we can say electric potential energy, that is this thing, the electric potential energy divided by Q is equal to U by Q, which is equal to W by Q, which we call it as potential at the point. This is the point. Since we are doing external work in bringing the point from infinity to that point or from one point to another point. So infinity to another point, so the work done by the external source is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into Q divided by Q divided by R, 1 by 4 pi naught Q into Q R, which we call it as a electrical potential energy. Work done in bringing a test charge other from infinity to that point in an electric field is called electrical potential energy or interaction energy. And electric potential is equal to W external by Q is equal to U by Q. So potential at a point is given by this expression, where U is equal to U and W is equal to this much. Okay, now work done by the external is equal to negative of work done by electric field. Why? Because we are bringing the point from here to here. Work is done, where work is equal to force, dot product of force into displacement, but this is by the external agency, and the work is also done by the electric field. That is why when it is brought from here to here, the conservative electric field. Conservative electric field, the at repulsive force, because this is also positive charge, this is also positive charge. So when the moment we bring it from here and leave it, this will push it that side. This kind of field is called conservative field. Also, when we bring from one point to another point, there is a change in potential energy, because suppose we are bringing, so work done by external is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q into 1 by x. Minus, here there was a minus, here there was a minus, get cancelled. From initial point is from infinity, the final point is up to r. It means we can say, suppose, since this for initial this is equal to 0, so this is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by r. Okay.